In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a developer to your Stripe account. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct account and workspace. Especially if you manage multiple businesses or environments, you'll need the appropriate permissions to invite people. So if you don't see the options I am about to show, check with your account owner or admin. Once you are in, head to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. This opens the area where you can manage account preferences, security, and team access. From here, look for the section labeled Team. On some accounts it may appear as Team and Security. Open that to view your current members and control who has access. To add someone new, click the button that says New Member or Add Member. This brings up an invitation panel. In the email field, enter the developer's work email address carefully. Double-check for typos so the invite lands in the right inbox. Below the email field, you'll see a list of roles. Choose the developer role. This role is designed for technical contributors who need to work with API settings, webhooks, and integrations, without giving them full financial or administrative control. Selecting the correct role helps protect your data by following the principle of least privilege. So only the access that's necessary is granted. When everything looks good, click Invite or Send Invites. Stripe will send an email to that address. If the person already has a Stripe login associated with that email, they can accept and get access right away. If not, they'll be prompted to create their own login before joining your account. In either case, they'll end up with their own credentials, which is safer than sharing passwords and lets you track activity by user. If the developer doesn't see the email within a few minutes, ask them to check spam or filtered folders. You can return to the team page to confirm the invitation is pending. Resend it if needed, or revoke it if you entered the wrong address. Once they accept, they can start working in test mode to build and verify integrations safely, and then, with the proper permissions, move to live settings when you are ready. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Settings, go to Team, add a member, choose the developer role, and send the invite. Your developer will handle the rest from their inbox. Thanks for watching.